one. This is a box opening from Bountiful Baby in America. The box weighs about 10 kilos and they have flat rate shipping, which is really handy for international shipping. So there's 12 babies with 12 bodies and they will all be available some point this year, hopefully. And at the Reborn doll show in November on the 27th here in Perth. We have a box full of babies and bodies. So, sleeping Landon. I'll get them all out after and take photos. And then a cat who really wants the box. Here's this one. That's Reborn Autumn. That's her. Reborn Blake. He has an open mouth. This is Sweet Pea by Laura Lee Eagles. So she has 3/4 limbs. Another Reborn Blake. Not sure what's in the boxes, but we'll open that later. This is Elliot. She's a 23-inch full limb kit. So about a 3 to 6 month old baby. We've got all the bodies. We have Nevaeh. I believe she's by Denise Pratt, but please correct me if I'm wrong. And a second Nevaeh. Oh, there's her face. This is Grant, another 23 or 24-inch kit, but he's awake. Elliot's also awake. And this one is just labelled as Ella. I'll have to get her out so you can see her. And let's see what's in these boxes. Wasn't expecting these boxes. What's another kit? So this kit is Sandy. She's a little cutie. She's got 3/4 legs that are almost full, or they could be full front facing and full arms. Let's see what the next one is. Oh. And this is also Sandy, so I've got 2 of her as well. So they all have their little certificates from Bountiful Baby. And I'll take separate photos. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is a large box opening, 21 pounds of Reborn kits, so it's about 10 kilos. They've come all the way to Perth, Western Australia from Bountiful Baby in Utah, which is in America, for those of you that didn't know. Only the Reborn kits and Sandy by Maria Lynn Grover have COAs, or certificates of some sort. Some of them aren't technically COAs, but they're close enough. This is a massive order I did directly from Bountiful Baby, so that I could guarantee that all kits were genuine. Some of the kits are double ups. I got 2 of a couple of kits. The ones that I've double of, some I will turn into sort of twins, some I might do super separately. But up until the doll show on the 27th of November this year, here in Perth, Western Australia, which is a Sunday, those kits will remain blank so that I can sell them at the doll show. They all have bodies as well. Hope you enjoy watching them. So we have Sandy. There's 2 of her. She's a more firm vinyl than the others. And then the next one is, let me look at the back of the head. I think it's Autumn. No, it's Ella by Bountiful Baby. That's Ella. And then we have Reborn Blake, and there's two. He has an open mouth. And there's a lot of detail in there because they're 3D imaging of a real baby. So he has that little dangly thing, the tongue, the works. It's really cute. Then we have two of Nevaeh by Denise Pratt. Super cute little kit. And then we have Autumn, Landon, Sweet Pea by Laura Lee Eagles, Grant, I can't remember who he's by, but I'll look it up and insert it, and then Elliot by Michelle Fagan. I have them all in size order, and they range from 17 inches up to 23 to 24 inches for these, well, mostly these two bigger ones. Sweet Pea is considered a 23-inch kit, and Landon's between 22 and 23 inches. We've got all 12 bodies as well. And then all of their limbs are still in their individual bags because there's just not enough space to put them all out. You can follow the creation of these babies as I do them. I have another 7 kits that I purchased recently as well with an artist that was no longer going to be painting. So that's 19 kits to keep your eye out for over the next 12 months maybe. As I said, some will be available as blank kits at the doll show here in Perth this year, but the rest will become available up until the show, and then what doesn't sell at the show, I'll do a Christmas special starting the 1st of December. So go find my nursery. It's Baby Bee Reborn Nursery, same spelling as at the front of all my videos, and have a look. You feel free to message me on Facebook. I don't currently ship internationally. It's something that I can arrange, but postage is quite expensive shipping internationally. Hope you all have a great week, I guess. I don't know what day this is going to come out at. It's quite late at night here at the moment. And I need to move these guys because my cat wants pups. See you all later.